Hi, my name's Deidre Lyons, and today I did a video on PJ's theory of the preoperational stage. I interviewed a little boy named Bobby, and he is 4 years old, and here were my results.
Okay, I'm going to ask you a couple questions, okay? Can you please introduce yourself?
My name's Bobby.
And how old are you, Bobby?
4 years old.
Okay, we're going to do an experiment with candy, and I'm going to ask you a couple questions.
Okay.
I'm going to place these candies in 2 rows. Okay, Bobby. Do we have the same amount in both rows?
Yes.
Can you count this row for me?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Can you count this row for me?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Okay, and they're the same amount you said, right?
Yes, 6 and 6.
Okay, Bobby, which one has more in it now? This row or this row?
This one.
And why?
Because it's much bigger.
What do you mean it's much bigger?
Look, it's bigger. This one goes out to here and here. And this one's little.
Okay. Okay, Bobby, now we have 2 pink straws. Are they the same size?
Yes.
Okay. Are they the same size now?
No, this one's bigger.
Okay. Okay, Bobby, now we have 2 glasses of cranberry juice. Are they the same size?
Yes.
There's the same amount in each cup.
Yes.
Okay. What if I took one and poured it in here? Okay, which one has more in it now, Bobby?
This one.
Which one? Can you point to it on top?
This one.
Okay, thank you. Okay, Bobby, we have 2 pieces of the exact same paper. Can you please pick them up for me? Do they feel the same?
Yes.
They weigh the same to you? Okay, can you put them down for me? Now I'm going to take one and crinkle it into a ball. Can you pick them up for me again? Do you still think they weigh the same?
No.
Which one do you think feels heavier now?
I think this one does.
The ball? Okay, thank you.
So today I found out that 4-year-old Bobby is in the preoperational stage of his cognitive development. In this stage, children have learned to walk and talk and use their sensory motor skills. They have explored their environment already with their sense of smell and touch and taste. According to the text, A Child's World, Infancy through Adolescent, the preoperational stage lasts approximately from ages 2 to 7 years old and is characterized by symbolic thought, meaning children begin to use their words more to describe the world around them. In this video, Bobby is demonstrating conservation during this stage, and conservation is referred to the fact that 2 things are equal and will remain equal even if their image is altered. As long as nothing is added or taken away, that means the image has remained the same. In the first task, I had asked Bobby to count the candies in each row and tell me if they were equal, and he said yes. This was to make him aware that both rows were equal right off the bat, and it would set an emphasis on the fact that Bobby cannot yet logically grasp that even though there was the same amount of candy, after I had spread it out, nothing was altered or taken away. So in fact, the candy was still the same amount, and he did not realize that. The same results were taking place with the straws, the cranberry juice, and the paper. Given 4 of the 7 tasks of conservation, I used the number task with the candy, length task with the straws, the liquid task with the cranberry juice, and the weighted task with the paper. Bobby responded the same to each stage and task, each stage of the tasks. If there was any alteration, he responded that there was more or something was bigger, even though the image was just slightly altered and nothing was taken away or added. In the preoperational stage, Bobby cannot logically produce responses in correlation to the dimensions of the tasks at hand. If something was longer, it meant that it was bigger, or it meant that it had more, and so on. Bobby will typically not master any of the tasks that were given to him in the conservation stage until he is about 9 or 10 years old, and that will be when he's in the concrete operational stage. Thank you for watching.